It's really messy in here. That's okay. Let's clean together. Yeah! Toys! Toys on the floor, books on the chair. Jake says let's clean everywhere. Sophia hums a tidy tune. We'll be all finished very soon. Blocks and dolls and crayons too. So many things we love to use. When playtime ends, we all agree it's time to clean up happily. Little by little, piece by piece, working together makes it easy. Side by side and helping through, that's what friends are meant to do. Pick it up, put it away. Clean up crew saves the day. Stack the blocks, close the glue. Teamwork makes it fun to do. Pick it up, put it away. Hip hip, hooray, hooray, hooray. When we work together too, we're the mighty cleanup crew. Luna sweeps the tiny crumbs. Jaden hums while Sofia drums. Big and small, we all take part. Helping hands and happy hearts. Books go here and toys go there. Look how clean it is out there. Every job we try our best. Cleaning time can be a test, but we smile and keep on going. Look how neat our room is showing. Pick it up, put it away. Clean up crew saves the day. Stack the blocks, close the glue. Teamwork makes it fun to do. When we help and when we share, cleaning shows how much we care. Helping friends and doing our part makes a kind and caring heart. Not too fast and not too slow, working together helps us grow. Clean up time can feel so good when we do the things we should. Ooh. Pick it up, put it away. Clean up crew saves the day. Stack the blocks, close the glue. Teamwork makes it fun to do. Pick it up, put it away. Clean up crew is here to stay. Laugh and sing and clean it through. Hooray, hooray for the cleanup crew. We did it! Sophia up, everyone! Cleanup crew!